Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can easily combine 2 or more videos on TikTok. This method is quite simple, you don't need any other app or any trick, we will simply use TikTok, so simply start by opening TikTok. Then choose the adding button. Then go on the uploading button. Then after choose any videos you would to combine. So simply choose the next button. Then after having this results, you can see that your videos has automatically combined. And from here you can simply reduce the video's length. And if you play you will see that they have been combined. And if you long press, you will see that you can relocate your footages, and you will choose the one that goes first, so if you play you can see that it's been combined. So you can post your video if you want. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.